you really need to think about what is the expertise that you have? How can you codify that and use AI to scale that like you have unlimited time? So let's talk about what that means. First, I want to challenge your thinking, even if you're familiar with AI and you've been using it a lot, because what most people get wrong about AI is that they're actually mostly looking at it to use it for the things that they're bad at. Now, I was guilty with this too when ChatGPT first came out. And I was thinking, well, I have a little bit of experience in marketing and an entrepreneur, and I can do all these things. But now that I have I could be an expert engineer, software engineer. I could be an expert lawyer. I could put my contracts in here and I could have AI review that. I could be a psychiatrist. I could really be anything. And this is what a lot of people went through when AI first came out. But I want to introduce you to the fact that there really are two sides to this coin. So think about it this way, that if AI can bring you up to average for the things that you're bad at, then you can really make AI good at the things that you're good at. There really are two sides of this coin. So I'm going to jump into this just a little bit because it's a really important concept. And I promise this is as technical as this entire talk is going to get. But if you think about this concept of there being two sides of the coin, the reason that that's true is because of the data that the AI is trained on and the patterns that it's learned. So when you think about ChatGPT, right? How is ChatGPT made? ChatGPT was fed a ton of the world's text and information and data. And then the AI learned all of the patterns in that data so that then it could take in new text or new prompts and predict, based on all the patterns that it's learned, what is the most likely words to come after that text or after that prompt. So, literally by design, these models have been trained to generate not only the average, but the average of a massive amount of also, frankly, average information, all the stuff that's online and in the internet and text. But again, there's the flip side of this, which is you can use that exact same principle of AI, the idea that you can teach it patterns on a set of data, and you can use that to your advantage. Where if you take the expertise, proprietary data, and basically create a new kind of bubble where the AI can learn those patterns from, you can get it to generate something that's not average, but outside of average. And hopefully, the expertise and the proprietary data that you have is better than average, in which case you're going to be in a position where you've now taught the AI how to be good at the things that you are good at.